Exciting changes are coming to Virgin Australia's Velocity Frequent Flyer program. Whether you're a frequent flyer or someone looking to maximise your rewards, there's a lot to look forward to. Let's dive into the key updates that will make your travels even more rewarding. G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name's Cal and I make videos about frequent flyer points and premium travel. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like and subscribe button now. First up, two brand new status tiers are being introduced: Forever Gold and Platinum Plus. These tiers are designed to reward the most loyal Velocity members with even greater benefits. Forever Gold offers lifetime gold status for members who've earned a total of 12,000 status credits, backdated to February 2013. Of these credits, 9,000 must be flown by you on Virgin Australia marketed flights, meaning that credits earned from family pooling, partner airlines' flights and flybys will only count towards the first 3,000. Meanwhile, Platinum Plus goes beyond regular Platinum, offering extra perks for those who fly frequently at the highest level. If you reach Platinum Plus, you'll have access to a new VIP priority phone service, which I find a little bit silly as a current Platinum holder who has never waited more than 5 seconds anyway, as well as another 4 complimentary business class upgrades which can be used on choice fare bookings, not just flex fares like it is with Platinum. Speaking of status credits, the way you earn them is changing too. While you'll still be able to accumulate them by flying, credits will now be allocated by the price you pay for the fare rather than set by the mileage. Choice, flex, and business fares will now earn 1 status credit per $12 spent on the fare, and light fares will earn 1 status credit per $24 spent. This means a choice fare from Melbourne to Sydney that used to be worth 15 credits will now be worth 12 credits based on a $140 fare, while the $474 flex fare that was worth 25 credits will now be worth 39 credits. This new system significantly favours those flying flex and business fares. Virgin Australia are also removing the eligible sectors requirement from its status program. This means you'll no longer need a certain amount of specific flights to maintain your status, but shifting to a system where 50% of your total status credits earned must be on Virgin Australia marketed flights to attain and maintain your status. Velocity is also making significant adjustments to how you can redeem your points. They're lowering the number of points needed for domestic flights, with reward seats now starting from just 5,900 points for a one-way economy flight. This means you can get to your next destination faster with fewer points. However, it's important to note that these lower domestic redemption rates are balanced by an increase in points needed for some international routes, with one-way business redemptions from Australia to Europe increasing from 139,000 Velocity points to 158,500 Velocity points. So while flying within Australia is more accessible, you may need to plan ahead if you're thinking about using points for those overseas getaways. As Virgin Australia continues to evolve the Velocity program, they're ensuring that the most loyal members are recognised and rewarded. And don't forget, with over 1 million reward seats now available, there are plenty of opportunities to take advantage of these new changes. So whether you're a long-time member or thinking about joining, these updates to the Velocity Frequent Flyer program mean more flexibility, more rewards, and more reasons to keep flying with Virgin Australia. So what do you think? Are these good changes? Does this change your mind about who you collect your points with? Until next time, see you at the pointy end.